Okay, now let's see how my contribution for our game as a project manager. The first thing I did was decide where to start the game and design the environment like this. We download all the game's player characters, NPCs and enemy characters and animations using the Maximo site. Environment, we use free packages from the Unity Assets Store. We design each of them individually. This enemy AI script control an enemy character in a Unity game. When the player comes close, the enemy starts chasing the player. The MCQ Manager script has several important functions to control quiz questions in a Unity game. The set question function is used to display a new question, set the possible answers, highlight the correct one and reset the button. This script controls a third-person camera in Unity that smoothly follows the player from behind. It uses mouse movement to rotate the camera around the player. The target is the object the camera follows, usually the player. This script manages the player's coin count in the game. The coin variable keeps track of the current number of coins collected. This script manages the level up sequence in the game. It keeps track of the current level and controls the player of the level up panel UI. When show level up panel only is called, it activates the level up panel and triggers a victory animation on the player. So guys, this script controls a third-person camera character and the camera in also the rotation of the player as well as the game view is related to the mouse. So give 360 view experience to the player. This is our player movement script. This script controls the player's movement in a 3D game using Unity. This script saves the player's initial position and rotation when the game starts. When you play the game like this and go to this effect, you can see the game start panel. You can start the game by pressing E. Later, when the player goes to the NPC, a math question is shown. The panel is used for this. Then the player can give the correct answer using keyboard 1, 2, 3, 4. If the answer is correct, coins are added. The player can attack the enemy by pressing enter. To win level 1, you need at least 100 coins. Then when you reach the level 1 finish point, the level up panel and the player's victory animation are set to display. We are thinking of creating 2 missions at level 2. This is one mission. You have to answer the question, escape from the enemies and save your friends. In level 2 and level 3, I created tasks to suit each place. For example, like the bill at a car auto service. In the end, if the player's total coins are equal to or greater than 1,200, the player will win the house and display player's victory animation and game win panel.